In the main keynote today, you have listened to our CEO, Mark Berenshea, who stressed the importance of IoT in the complex business world. We acquired Covisent to strengthen our leadership in that space. In a live performance just right now, we showed how IoT, in combination with augmented reality, could facilitate a modern-day worker in his daily work. Now we are going to speak with a couple of our partners and gain their insights on the IoT platform.
As customers have seen through our connected factory demo, integrated through AviaNet virtual reality scenarios experience with OpenText platform. It has been a great real-time scenario that they can see and how they can improve their operational support and maintenance work in future.
Accenture is very proud to have worked together with OpenText to develop a pay-per-use showcase in our industrial IoT center in Garching, close to Munich, together with Bosch Rexroth and iTech software. And it really shows the art of the possible in IoT.
Mark stressed the importance of IoT in the complex business world. We have a live performance today where we showcase a connected factory use case. We've also spoken to our partners, Accenture and AviaNet, who are immensely involved in the IoT space with us, and we are making all those projects and initiatives successful.